Hello students and friends, welcome to my channel. Now today I am going to teach you that is iron ore. Okay. So what is the definition of iron ore? Iron ore is a metallic ferrous. Okay. This is a metallic and a ferrous compound. Now what is the definition of iron? Our most important iron ore deposits are found in sedimentary rock. So iron ore are found in sedimentary rock. Okay, they formed from chemical reaction that combine iron and oxygen. If this is formed from chemical reaction that is combined of iron and oxygen in marine, okay, and fresh water. मेरीन मतलब कि समुद्र में या फिर फ्रेश वाटर में आयरन ओर मिलता है. The most important minerals in these deposits are iron oxide, and that is hematite Fe2 and 03, and magnetite, that is Fe3 and 04. So this is contain of iron and the oxygen. Okay, yes, they form from chemical reaction that combine of iron and oxygen in marine and fresh water. Okay, the most important mineral in this deposit means in iron ore that it is iron oxide, that is hematite Fe2O3. Okay, and the magnetite, that is Fe3O4. So it is contain iron and oxygen. This is a combine of iron and oxygen. The iron was separated from the टेकोनाइट यूजिंग मैग्नीशियम. ओके, सो दिस वन इज सेपरेट. जब आयरन ओर क्या करते हैं, जब रॉक से इसको सेपरेट करते हैं तो इसको टेकोनाइट यूजिंग किया जाता है, जिससे मैग्नेटिशियम यूज होता है, जिससे क्या होता है, आयरन ओर रॉक से अलग हो जाता है. ठीक, सो वी गेट दिस फ्रॉम रॉक and from sedimentary rock. Okay, now what is magnetite? Okay, magnetite is a finest ore or a finest. It contain around 70% iron. ये जो मैग्नेटाइट जो आयरन ओर होता है, इसमें 70% ऑफ आयरन वी गॉट फ्रॉम दिस मैग्नेटाइट. सो दिस इज अ फाइनेस्ट ओर. ओके, एंड मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी, दिस ये प्रॉपर्टी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी होता है एंड यूज इन इलेक्ट्रिक इंडस्ट्री में. मैग्नेटाइट क्या होता है, यूज इन इलेक्ट्रिक इंडस्ट्री में यूज किया जाता है. एंड सेकंड इज हेमाटाइट. हेमाटाइट मीन्स इट्स अ लोअर कंटेन आयरन अराउंड 50 to 60% एंड इट इज यूज इन industrial use. Okay, now top producer of iron ore in India is Karnataka, Odisha and Chhattisgarh, and Maharashtra, Goa. All these are also top producer of iron ore. Okay, now in Odisha, Badam Pahar mines in Mayapur Bhanj and Kedur Jar are the mines of iron ore. Okay, now in Jharkhand, this is called also chef mines. This is called Jharkhand belt. This type of mines are called where their iron ore are produced. Okay, now in Durg, that is in Bastar, Baila Dila, that is 14 deposits area. There are iron ore. Now Chandrapur belts lies in Chhattisgarh. This is also iron ore belt that is in Chhattisgarh. Okay. At Maharashtra we got hematite type of iron ore that is export to Japan and South Korea too via विशाखापट्टनम पोर्ट. विशाखापट्टनम पोर्ट के जरिए जापान और साउथ कोरिया में महाराष्ट्र से हेमाटाइट जो ओर है वो एक्सपोर्ट किया जाता है. ठीक है, इन चित्रदुर्गा, दैट इज चिकनामागुर, तुमकुर बेल्ट इन कर्नाटका. सो दीज आर द माइंस इन विच द आयरन ओर आर फाउंड. ओके, now 100% export unit and the amongst largest in the world, that is Kudurmukh, that is in Karnataka. Okay, so Karnataka is the large producer of iron ore in our India. अच्छा, ट्रांसपोर्टेड एज सैलरी मीन्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ वाटर एंड द मिनरल्स, और जो भी हो, जो मिक्सचर ऑफ वाटर और जिसके साथ किसी पाइपलाइन के जरिए पहुंचाया जाता है. सो पाइप टू पोर्ट नियर मैंगलोर. ओके, ना महाराष्ट्र दैट इज रत्नागिरी माइंस आर. इसमें जो माइंस है वो है जो आयरन ओर के, वो है गढ़चिरौली, चंद्रपुर, सिधु, दुर्ग एंड बंधारा. ओके, एंड इन गोवा बेल्ट दैट इज वेरी हाई क्वालिटी ऑफ आयरन ओर एक्सपोर्टेड टू ट्विंस पोर्ट जो कि जुड़वा पोर्ट्स हैं, दैट इज मोरमुगावा, दैट इज MPT एंड पानाजी पोर्ट जो कि है गोवा में. ठीक है, तो इसे ट्विंस पोर्ट्स भी कहा जाता है. Okay, now these are the mines and these are the states and these are the owners. So Bellary mine, that is situated in Karnataka, that is 1/4 of the iron ore we get from this Karnataka. Okay, the name of the mine is Bellary. Second is Katak mine, that is in Odisha. West Singhbhum, that is in Jharkhand. Around 2000 million tons of iron ore we get from this area. Now Bhalai Dila, that is we got iron ore, that is in Chhattisgarh. This is also known as the National Mineral Development Corporation Limited, that is NMDC, okay, in short form. That is National Mineral Development Corporation Limited. Okay, that is in Chhattisgarh. The name of the mines is Bhalai Dila iron ore. Okay, now Dhali Rajhara, that is also in Chhattisgarh. It is called Bhilai Steel Plant, BSP. The short form is BSP, Bhilai Steel Plant. And Betul mine, that is situated in Madhya Pradesh. So that is all. We know that around that is the Karnataka, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh are the very top producer of iron ore in our India. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you. I had already teach you that the iron ore we got from different state of our India. If you have any question regarding this chapter and topic, you may ask. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.